This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting real numbers so the sheet works. Open the updated money management sheet and link your primary checking and one savings account. This eliminates manual entry and syncs balances. Once done, set the date range for the current month and enter the starting balance from your most recent statement. You do this because accurate starting points prevent drift. Make sure transactions import and that the opening balance matches the linked account to avoid reconciliation errors. You now organize money so decisions become simple. Go through imported transactions and assign each to the correct category. Create rules for recurring items to auto-categorize future entries. Once categorized, use the allocation section to split incoming income into essentials, savings, and flexible spending. This keeps priorities visible. Make sure to adjust category limits based on month-to-month needs and review projected versus actual spending. That feedback loop is how the sheet teaches you to improve. You finish by reconciling and locking the month down. Reconcile every week. Mark cleared transactions, confirm the sheet's balance matches bank totals, and run the variance report to compare budgeted versus actual spending. Once reconciled, roll any leftover funds into next month's allocations or emergency savings. If numbers don't match, check date filters first, then look for duplicate imports or an incorrect opening balance. Fixing those 3 issues resolves most discrepancies and restores reliable forecasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.